Despite the millions, Ermas's home life in Estonia is relatively low-key. He lives with his girlfriend, Kathleen Moran, a former model, and his 5 children. But even if millions can't change the one downside of living in Tallinn.
Siin külmal Eestimaal mitu nädalat järjest.
Here in Estonia, it rains for months on end, and more often than not, it's sub-zero temperatures. So over there offers the perfect escape and the chance to enjoy the warmth.
Sinna ja nautida seda soojust.
There is Spain, and 6 times a year, Ermas jets off to his €5 million holiday home in the hills of Marbella.
Suhteliselt külm ja pikad ja pimedad talved ja ööd.
I heard a rumor that in Marbella they have 262 sunny days a year.
Kohtadel solv